Here we go. The simplest of hacks. Lovely little idea. Grab yourself one of these little jars, the ones with the lids on. IKEA, Tesco's, anywhere. Just get one of them. Get some of the string lights. £2. Wilkinson's, not anymore. It's not there. Tesco's, Asda, Christmas time, 2.50. Drop them in the jar with the batteries in. Close up the lid. And there you have a little light. But you're thinking, what's the point? Well, if you switch them on and drop them back in the jar and then place them in your kitchen, in your hallway, in your living room, it will make a great little light feature. And they'll last for weeks. Don't even have to turn them off. Couple of weeks at least, just stay there, switched on, running off the batteries. And there you go. Lovely little light. Simple.